that was too fast.
Beautiful.
Alright guys, so we have the Borla S-type Stinger catback. Already have the tailpipes in, so now what I'm gonna do is actually just put in these, replace it for the other ones, the other mufflers, the ATAKS, and we're gonna see how it sounds. Let's see how they screw in pretty much, and then this is adjustable.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got my worker Tyson chilling under the Mobra. No, I'm just kidding, I was helping him out. But we got the ATAKS out of the car. Now we're putting the Stingers in. This is the right side, is going in pretty good. Install going good, Tyson?
Yep.
Yep. And all we need to do is tighten these clamps up a little bit, make sure everything's aligned, and then put the other side in and we'll get a startup.
It's good, yeah.
No, I like it because now I'm ready. That sounds good.
Yeah.
It has good tone.
Yeah.
It's way deeper.
Woo!
That sounds good.
Yeah.
I like that. Like the tone is perfect.
Oh yeah, it's real
Yeah.
deep. Yeah, that's beautiful. I like that a lot. So Tyson's the mechanic on this job.
Yep. Me and Alex both.
How do you
take all the credit?
How do you think you did?
Pretty good. It sounds good.
I think you did. I think you did pretty well. Yes, sir. Oh. That sounds way better. Oh. My bad, Tice.
You ready?
Yeah.
Which way? I will go.
Yeah. That sounds solid.
These are a really good decision.
Yeah.
I mean, they still are loud.
Yeah.
Nice, still pops.
Yeah, that's for sure. So are they just a little bit more aggressive of headers, or I mean, mufflers?
They it's just a different muffler setup inside.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Because they look exactly the same. It's just inside.
Yeah, just a different muffler material. Dude, these have really nice tone though.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh man, these sound good. With the people there. You just do some like straight rev flips.
Yeah, you want to do some straight revs and then do some flybys or what?
That might be not like these happen. I can definitely hear it a little bit more.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, the pops is still loud.
Yep. Just gotta get it a little more worked up.
Yeah.
All right, we are testing out Alex's new exhaust, the Borla Stingers. I personally think they sound a lot better, a lot deeper, but we'll see. It still pops. I think he digs it too. What's up, King? Kingston. What's up, dude? Say hi. Can I get a thumbs up?
No.
What? Thumbs up, dude. Nice. Oh my gosh, that was too fast for me. That's so sick.
I can tell because I always.
good.
Oh my god. I can actually feel like I can get on my car now. This was definitely a good decision.
God damn, yeah. 100%. Oh, it delivered.
Okay.
Man, my car is dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna switch those. I got my bumper painted. Man, I don't know. There's a lot of things I gotta do. Shout out to ATAKS Racing.
Truck gang.
What's I'ma ride for my motherfucking nigga. Like I'ma put my finger on the trigger. Ain't going in, it's my nigga.
Alright guys, so right now we are getting food because we need to fuel up, and then we're gonna head home, and Chris's car is gonna get an exhaust, and we'll see you guys soon.
So I thought it was as close to him.
Yeah.
There's not even in it.
Oh, where is he?
He's on the side.
Chris SVT, everyone.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna show him. He's probably gonna be like, "It's quiet." It is quiet though on startup.
For us?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's quiet, but once you rev it a little bit, it gets loud.
Oh yeah.
Drops the top to go into the garage. Alex does. Alex SVT does. He's the only person in the world. It sounds way deeper, way more tone. It sounds clean. I like it. It was a good decision, bro. Oh, it pops still.
Sounds good.
What was that, like a 2K rev?
Negative 6,000.
Negative 6,000. All right. I missed it by like 8,000.
It's Chris SVT.
Oh, this is a whole Christmas tree.
Hey Alex, I was thinking throwing the 275s that are on the back and the front and throw 295s on that rim.
Yeah.
Cause I think I could throw 295 on that.
Well, how wide
but
is?
Someone's throwing a 305 on a 9.5 inch.
How wide is it? 9.5.
Yeah. 295 will get on that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It'd be kind of stretched, but yeah, you can do it.
Hey, the front's 8.5. I'm gonna throw 275 on the front.
This thing hook? It hooks.
No, this shit's too easy to drive.
Sean's is.
Bro? Is that Noah's?
Yeah. I just didn't go to red line.
Do it in neutral.
I forgot.
My car turns hell easier.
I know. I like.
I was like in your to clutch in, bro.
Nah, dude. I would. That's why I want to get a new car, like another one. This thing handles like nothing.
Bro, that's why like I'll be taking some crazy corners like
What, dude? Nah, I would keep it. I mean, you got good tone.
Any V8 screen.
I know, but sounds good. Like I would just leave it.
This shit makes use right here. Transmission is way better than Sean's. I get shifted a little early.
And I just.
Hey, whose shifts are more fast? Ahmed's or Alex's? Shit, I get to choose.
I